All right, let me show you something about Skyline Com, right? So let me show you this. In the past, if you were to take a look at my examples, right? Let's say, for example, get the list. As you can see, I made it very simple by just saying, hey, finder ID, product, and total affected objects. In reality, there's actually a lot more to this, right? Other than those three. Likewise, if we were to do this, for example, if we were to say, hey, let's get the detail of, let's say, this particular one, right? And then just look at just one vCenter. We were to do this. As you can see, my result is always, hey, here's the source, here's the object name for this particular detail. In reality, there's still a lot more that I've excluded, right? So I had a customer asking, hey, could you do the same thing, except when the output, I just don't want just the source and the object. I want the whole entire string. As if I were to go into Advisor, select some of the findings, and then export it out. All right, so take a look at this. Run the same exact command. The slight difference, of course, is I type in long detail, right? What you're going to see is that I give you everything from that search, not just the source and the object. And then last but not least, I say, hey, by the way, send this to CSV, right? So if we were to run the same exact command, because I'm sitting in C:/Skyline, if we were to take a look, you're going to see a Skyline get details, right? And if we were to take a look now, for this particular finding, as you can see, the finding is very identical. The source is very identical. The vCenter that I tied to, right? But if you take a look all the way to the end, you're going to see, by the way, for that particular vCenter, here are all the ESX that are tied to it. So there you have it. This is showcasing one example of getting the detail of that finding and then exporting it out as if it looks almost identical to the export that you get from Advisor. Okay?